Hey guys, it's Faye and it's really been a long time. Yes, it's been a long time. So, how's life? Okay, so ayun nga guys, I know na matagal akong nawala dahil nga sa COVID nito. At ayun, wala naman ako maisip na content. So, I need your suggestions. And, oh my god, I forgot. I need to speak in English because some of the viewers can't understand me. Okay, so yun nga guys, I'm going to introduce to you one product. Isang product lang muna. Isang product na I know na ginagamit ng marami. Ginagamit ng marami to the fact na marami yung nagsisearch nito sa YouTube. Oh my God! Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you one product which is used by most of the people right now. Because I believe that it is not only girls who are using this one. Some boys or some men are using this too. So I know that you are here seeing the title because you want to know my review about this product. Because I know that you are just like me, which I first browsed YouTube, search some reviews on YouTube before I bought a product. Right? Okay, so that's it guys. I tried, but I really can't. You know, I can't express myself if I am lacking of words. Okay, so if you have bad experience or good experience about this product, please keep on watching. And also, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. And then, if you have bad experience about it, but you're still using this product, please keep on watching. Maybe you're doing it wrong. And maybe you can get some tips and advices from this video. So, let's start. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so the product that I'm referring to you is the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. So I know that this one is famous here in YouTube because there are a lot of reviews, either it is positive or negative. But then this time, I'm going to share my thoughts, my experience, and using this product. Okay, so guys, I want you to know that I'm already a St. Ives user just this November 2019 when I used their Apricot Acne Control Scrub, and that is just in 6 ounces I think, and ngayong April ko lang siya naubos. And because of this quarantine, I feel like I have a lot of dead skins in my face already. That's why I ordered this one. I want to try this one kasi ito yung famous nila na fresh skin. And I ordered this one in Lazada in St. Ives store. So if you want to check this out, just visit their store in Lazada or pwede rin sa Watsons or any store kasi nandun lang naman yung St. Ives din. Okay, some people are saying that using apricot scrub, the St. Ives apricot scrub, it helped them, most especially in their blemishes, in their pimples, diba, nagkaroon sila ng clear skin. But then some people are saying that St. Ives apricot scrub is not good for your face. Why? Okay, because this St. Ives, they're saying that one of the ingredients of St. Ives, most especially the beads, the walnut shell powder, these are the beads here on the scrub. It is not good for your face because these beads are not in the appropriate size as an exfoliant. It might damage your face, it might give scars to your face. So I don't know if that's true. Before I bought this product just this May, I've already watched the video. Pero gusto ko malaman nyo, I've already used St. Ives. So, sabi ko, hindi ko naman na-experience yung scars, yung blemishes. Bakit ako maniniwala agad? So, why not na-try muna? Diba? Okay, so hindi ko na kaya. I've tried, but I failed. Okay? Okay, so ngayon, gagamitin na natin yung product na to kasi hindi pa rin naman ako nakaka-wash ang face ko. And before that, I'm going to tell you na nagka-pimples po ako. Ayan, ayan, at ayan. Okay, those are my pimples just this last week of May because I have my period. For me, it's normal. Okay, first thing first is wet your face or use your facial wash first. Kailangan mauna yung facial wash bago yung scrub. Okay? So, wag mong gamitin yung scrub sa paghuhugas ng mukha mo, sa pagtatanggal dyan ng makeup mo, ng eyeliner mo, ng kilay mo. Kasi it is a scrub, not a facial wash. Okay guys. Okay, as you can see, I've already washed my face. At yung ginamit ko lang facial wash is yung Cetaphil para mild lang siya. Okay, so this time, let's use the scrub. Okay, so make sure guys talaga na basa yung mukha mo kasi magiging bad yung effect niya. Meron nga akong nagtanong dun sa comment ko doon sa Apricot scrub kung masakit daw ba. Para sa akin na gumagamit na ako dati ng scrub, hindi na siya masakit kasi sanay na ako. Pero kung baguhan ka pa lang guys, siguro medyo maninibago ka. But then, hindi siya magiging masakit kung basa yung mukha mo. And then, basa rin yung kamay mo. And then, hindi siya magiging masakit kung gagawin mo siya ng dahan-dahan. And then, yung paggamit guys, kailangan yung product, lalagay mo muna siya sa mukha mo. Hindi na ilalagay mo siya sa kanya, tapos i-wrap mo ng ganyan, tapos gaganyan. Hindi po siya facial wash siya. It is a facial scrub. And then, don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Huwag mo siyang sobrahan. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na, oh my God, gusto kong kuminis agad. Gusto kong mawala kagad yung blemishes ko. Kaya, isang oras ko siyang kukuskusin. Hindi po ganun yun. Wala naman po nakukuha ng isang, diba, yung isang, isang pasada lang. Diba? Achieve mo na kaagad yung clear skin. Wala naman pong ganun. So, dapat dahan-dahan lang. And then, also, because it has beads, at sinasabi nga nila na pangit daw yung beads ng St. Ives. Kapag ginagawa mo to sa mukha mo, wag mo siyang idiin. Wag mo siyang idiin na sobra. Yung tipong parang nakapatong lang yung kamay mo sa face mo at gentle mo lang siyang gagawin, ganyan, in circular motion, ganyan. And then, nakaharap ka sa salamin, ganyan ka, hingiti ka, di ba? I-feel mo na parang ang ganda-ganda mo, ganyan. Para may pag-iingat dapat sa face, hindi yung harsh ka sa face mo. At gusto kong malaman ninyo guys, ginagamit ko to twice a day, morning and night. Yes, I know that it is bad kasi yung recommended lang is 3 to 4 times a week. But then, okay, ako kasi, ginagamit ko lang naman siya 20 seconds pinakamatagal na at hindi ko naman siya kinukuskus ng sobra-sobra. Kaya feel ko lang namang nangyayaring masama. Pero hindi ko na naman sinasabi na gayahin yun yung ginagawa ko, okay? And of course, focus to the main target. Okay, focus to the main target. Saan ba talaga yung target ko? Okay, ako yung target ko talaga is dito sa gilid ng ilong. Bakit? Mas especially hindi naman ganun katangos yung ilong mo guys. And then nag-makeup ka, nagpupulbo ka. Most likely yung dirt andyan din sa gilid ng ilong mo. So dapat dyan ka mag-scrub. Diba? Para mawala yung itim-itim dyan, yung dead skins, ganyan. And of course, dito sa ilalim ng mata mo. Dito yung part na nagkakaroon lagi ng whiteheads and blackheads. And then, massage mo na rin yung ilong mo kasi merong mga blackheads and whiteheads dyan. And then, another part na target ko is dito, sa nunal ko, para mawala yung nanakap joke. Kasi dito yung part na meron akong mga whiteheads. Ganyan. So, dapat focus ka lang dun sa target mo. And of course, kung may pimples ka, kung may pimples ka na active, huwag mong lagyan ng scrub at kukuskusin mo ng ganon. Kasi yung mangyayari is mai-irritate yan. Bakit? Siyempre, active siya. Mayroon pang nana yan sa loob. Mayroon pang sugat yan sa loob. Huwag mo siyang ganyanin. Huwag mo masyadong malupit sa pimples mo, okay? Hayaan mo siyang mag-dry muna bago mo siya gamitan ng scrub. Pero, kung gusto mo talagang gumamit ng scrub, gamitin mo siya sa area ng face mo na malayo doon sa active na pimples mo. Kasi yung St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub is not for pimples, okay? This one is for the removal of your skin impurities and blackheads and whiteheads. Hindi po siya para sa pimples. So, kung gusto mong malaman kung okay ba siya para sa mga active pimples, then you can search that or other reviews here in YouTube. Pero para sa akin talaga guys, hindi appropriate na kuskusin mo ng scrub yung active mo na pimples. Kasi yung alam ko lang talaga, blemishes lang talaga yung nakukuha nito. And don't forget also your eyelids. Mas especially yung mga babaeng mahilig mag-makeup at mag-eyeshadow, guys. Kasi kung hindi natin nalilinisan yung eyelids natin, yung mangyayari is mangingitim siya. Ganyan. So, kahit magtagal ka pa dyan, basta gentle lang yung paggawa mo, gentle lang yung paghagod mo, hindi yan siya magiging harsh sa skin. Kaya dapat guys, dahan-dahan lang. Okay? Dahan-dahan lang. Magiging maganda ka din. At maganda ka naman, magiging clear din yung skin mo. Okay? And then, kung ano yung concern ng skin mo, yun yung dapat na tina-target mo. If you have that acne, prone skin, kung marami kang pimples, guys, huwag kang gumamit ng whitening product. Tama ba ako? Kasi yung whitening product, pampaputi siya. Pwede siya doon sa face mo na merong blemishes, merong acne, spots, or merong mga itim-itim na naiwan, diba? Pwede siya doon. Pero, I think hindi siya makaka-cure sa mga active pimples. Kaya kung gusto mo na mawala yung pimples mo, target mo, or yung gamitin mo, is yung mga products for acne. Yun yung sabi nila sa akin nung basta guys, yun yung talaga. Okay, another one, don't forget your neck. But then, kung gentle ka sa mukha mo, mas maging gentle ka sa neck mo. Bakit? Yung neck natin, mas sensitive po yan sa mukha natin. Kaya nga, diba, kapag kung na-try nyo, kung magpapa-derma kayo, magpapa-diamond peel kayo, wala silang, or yung peel nila, hindi siya umaabot doon sa neck. Bakit? Kasi nga, iba yung kailangan ng neck natin sa face natin, at mas sensitive sila kaysa sa face natin. Kaya dapat dahan-dahan din yung paghagod dyan sa leeg. At huwag niyo talagang kalimutan yung leeg niyo. Kung ayaw nyo magbuka kayong naglalakad dyan, puti yung mukha tapos yung leeg mo itim. Diba halatang halata na may ginagamit ka, besh? Kaya huwag ka kalimutan yung leeg. Kung ano yung nilalagay sa mukha, ilagay sa leeg. Okay? Okay, so that's it guys. I've already washed my face. So, these are the things that I want to share to you. First, if you are using a scrub, don't overdo it. Yes, I'm using it twice a day, but then, hindi ko naman siya pinapatagal sa face ko. Bale, gusto ko lang na mas maging malinis yung mukha ko. But then, don't overdo it. Huwag mo siyang kuskusin ng sobra. Huwag mo siyang i-rub ng sobra dahil gusto mong kuminis agad. Huwag ganun. Okay? That is scrub. And then, of course, don't use the facial scrub as your facial wash. Okay? Iba yung facial wash sa facial scrub. Maghugas ka muna ng mukha mo bago ka gumamit ng facial scrub. Para naman, hindi mo iasa sa facial scrub yung pagtanggal dyan sa eyeliner mo. Next, don't use facial scrub on dry face. Okay? That will damage your skin. Yan talaga, magkakaroon ka talaga ng scars na. Another one. It doesn't mean that it is effective para sa akin ay maging effective din siya sa'yo. Ayan, ulit-ulit tayo dyan. Bakit ba namin sinasabi yan? Because we have different skin conditions. Hindi ibig sabihin namin na effective sa amin. Maniniwala na kagad kayo, di ba? Itatry ko kasi effective to sa maraming tao. Okay, so try it para malaman mo kung effective. Pero wag mo sabihin na magiging effective siya kagad. Malay mo, mali yung paggamit mo. Malay mo, hindi siya suwak sa kailangan ng mukha mo. Okay, so kailangan alamin natin kung ano yung kailangan, kung ano yung target, bago natin hanapin kung ano yung product na para talaga sa atin. Okay, another one. Eto, doon naman tayo sa mga taong nagtatanong, ano ba yung product na ginagamit mo? Ano ba yung skincare mo? Eto, ako as a person, ang dami ko ng products na try. If you already know me, it's been 1 year. Yes, it's been 1 year since I have my pimples. I have that pimples. And pero hindi pa nagawa 1 year simula na naka-recover ako. Sa dami ng products na try ko, natatakot pa rin ako mag-share sa mga nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung pwedeng gamitin. Bakit? Kasi nga yun nga, yung kinatatakot ko, baka hindi mag-effective sa kanila kahit na-effective siya sa akin. So kung gusto mong magpaganda, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng skincare routine, kung gusto mong ma-discover yung skincare products mo, you have to take a risk, but then use it carefully. Kailangan maging matalino ka sa pagpili ng mga products na gagamitin mo. Okay, eto last. Hindi ko kayo pinipilit na maniwala na okay siya. Hindi ko yung kayo sinasabihan na hindi maniwala dun sa mga nagsasabi ng bad effects tungkol sa product na ito. At hindi to sponsored para turuan ako ng mga tao sa kung anong sasabihin ko. Kasi eto, for me, it is a great product for me. So, ngayon, kung gusto mo siyang try it at your own risk. Buy it at your own risk. Apply it at your own risk. Pero, eto sinasabi ko sa inyo, gamitin niyo siya ng tama. Okay? Alam ko, mali na ako sa side na 2 times ko siya ginagamit sa isang araw. But then, for me, wala naman siya naging bad effect. So, why not? Right? Why not? So, yan guys, I'm going to continue my skincare right now. And I know na hindi pleasing yung itsura ko ngayon, hindi pleasing yung background. But then, you know, it's normal. At eto, I'm going to continue my skincare routine and I still have one St. Ives product, but then this video is just focused in this apricot scrub kasi ang dami nag-circulate reviews about this one. So if you want to know about the next St. Ives product that I'm going to use, so please watch the next video. And yes, thank you for watching. See ya! Okay, if you have questions, just write it down in the comment section kasi alam ko namang hindi ko nasabi lahat. So, sulat nyo lang and then I'm going to answer it, I promise. So yeah,